The human consciousness is an interesting device in that the brain is learning all the time. And the brain's primary job is to make sure you survive, so it's always looking what to protect you from. And very often in life, we have an experience and we react to that experience. It's like a muscle contracting, but then we keep it contracted. We never, once it's safe, let go again. And it limits what we can experience in our life. Freud figured out that if he could go back to before the moment, it could heal the moment that was holding you, because you've forgotten something that would make you let go. And so I'm going to take you through an experience of doing that. And this process, you don't have to understand it. This is a journey you're going to go on. You'll remember certain things. And as you remember them, you can make some new decisions about what they mean and how it might mean a new life to you. I'm wondering what your earliest memory is. Where were you? What were you experiencing? What did it mean? What did you decide back then? It's a decision that affected the way you think about life. Okay, now lights down, and we'll do our breath. We're gonna rise up with our hands, but as you do it, you're taking the breath in. Stop, stop. Hands relaxed, palms face up, relaxed. Just feel your body. Feel how your breath has calmed your mind. With your eyes remaining closed, put both your hands on your heart and breathe deep into your heart. Breathe in your heart and feel the strength of your heart. Feel grateful for the gift of your heart. For as long as it beats, you live. I want you to think of 3 moments in your life that you could feel deeply grateful for if you wanted to. Just go on a journey of one moment after the other of gratitude. You may feel a hand touch your head. If it does, just keep in the state you're in and intensify. If it doesn't, you'll still feel the energy. It'll be in you. Really go for it. Step in the moment like you're there, looking through your own eyes, seeing what you saw then, feeling what you felt then, appreciating. Feeling the blessing of that moment. What a blessing it was in your life. How grateful you are. Take in the gratitude of that moment. Feel it. Feel what it led to that you feel so grateful for. That it was a blessing. In a few moments, you'll open your eyes. Feeling integrated, feeling strong, feeling like a healing, feeling filled with gratitude. wanting to stretch, to strengthen, and to feel fully alive more than ever, feeling at one with yourself and one with life, where an energy will come through you and you can celebrate that with your voice in that moment. Get ready. Open your eyes whenever you're ready, and when you want, you can stand, and you can begin to stretch, and you can feel the energy build inside you. Let it build, and then make a sound of total joy, total excitement. 1, 2, 3, go. Feel the guidance that never leaves us. Take everything in here so you can take it home forever. Breathe it, feel it, own it, tonight and every night. You take the greatest gifts of all home, who you've become, the choices you made, the strength, the love, the commitment in your heart. And the sound will always bring you back to this moment. 1, 2, 3, make the sound of who you are! We've been on a little journey. It wasn't a trip. A trip is predictable. A trip is boring. A journey has all kinds of discoveries, doesn't it? Did you discover some new friends? Did you discover some new feelings? Did you discover a new you? So just for a moment, think about, if you go to a great concert, what are you looking to feel? Fully alive, isn't it? Here you were the concert. The concert was a family of people from 71 countries who came together to create music, magic, a transformation. We brought our desire, our hunger, our love, our caring, and we left our fear, our limitations, our frustration, and our fucking past behind. That's what we did here, ladies and gentlemen. It's been a privilege to serve you. We've laughed, we've cried, we've broken through. It was a blind date with Destiny. How did she turn out that date for you? Until we meet again, hopefully soon. Make your life a masterpiece, my dear friends. God bless you.